Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, finally get to do some work with the Weiss Daily. Yeah, we've been putting off this car for a little bit, but we've done some stuff to it, but we're really gonna get down to, I guess, the nitty gritty. We're gonna kind of sort of tune it. Not really. It's basically a piggyback, but we're gonna go ahead and put some new plugs. These HKS, whatever. I didn't even know HKS made plugs. These were overnighted from Japan, right, Danny?
Overnighted from Japan?
Yeah, we overnighted parts from Japan. But this is a Lap3 Pro-Tuner. I'm gonna tell you right now, I didn't know this even existed till like a month ago. But this is a piggyback, but apparently it's much better than the JB4, and it costs a lot more than the JB4. So we're gonna go with this option on the Stinger. This is a 3.3 turbo Stinger, twin turbo. It's got those little baby tiny turbos in there. But, you know, Danny's here because he's a V6 twin turbo expert now. Yeah. Right, Danny? You got a 10 second? He's got a 10-second V6. See that car out there? See? Some of you, I'm not going to call out all Stinger guys. If some of you Stinger guys want to put $8,000 worth of stuff in your car and still run like a mid-11, that car just has like 3 mods and it runs like a low 10. So, not as more than 3 mods. Okay, it has like 5 mods. But still. So, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do the plugs first, and then we'll figure out how to do this. Because it's got a lot of wires. A lot of tapping in and stuff. But I ain't scared. So, that's her daily. So, we got a few mods. We got intakes for whooshy turbo noises, because everybody loves those. So, let's get started. Alright, we got the plugs in. So, little Canadian guy we saw a video from. This one over here. This one right here. It's in between here. Remove the throttle body. Get you one of these. Little twisteroo there. Get you one of these. And you'll be alright. So, you can get it out. You don't need to... you don't have to remove the throttle body. Yeah, we did. We removed the throttle body, right?
Yes.
Yeah, remove the throttle body, remove this hose, this charge pipe, and you're good to go. But the rest of them are actually not bad. This side's super easy. So, there you go. It's not that bad. I'd rather do this than a Camaro. All right, now we do the piggyback. We start now. Yeah. Race car things on the daily. This car gets driven every day, but you know, my wife wants race cars. All the cars need to be race cars.
My husband's a shitty influence.
Yeah.
The race car guy's bitching about race cars.
Yep. My car's simple. It's Japanese.
Danny's here so that my husband doesn't bitch too much.
My car's Japanese, efficient, won't ever break down.
Your fucking car ain't Japanese. Try that shit again. Liar.
You have a fake Japanese car, sir.
It's got a Japanese badge. That's it. I love you, honey.
Yeah.
Yep.
The Japanese badge was probably made in Germany, too.
Probably so. You're probably right.
It's actually made in Austria.
Oh.
It's alright. I don't care what it is. If he ever tries to get rid of that car, we're going to fight. I like that car a lot. A lot.
I like that car too. All right, that's done. See, a lot of wires. It's honestly not bad. It's not bad. It's JB4-ish. Hopefully it's better than JB4, because JB4 is hot garbage.
Hot garbage.
Yeah. No offense to JB4 people, but your shit sucks.
No offense. Only when you're using it under like load and performance, which is kind of the whole freaking point. Yeah. So that's why I opted for Lap3 instead. Yeah. Let's give that a try. It seems to get much better reviews. It's more expensive, more wires, but you know, the whole idea is supposed to be better. So
I don't know what this is either.
I think that's a Bluetooth thing.
Yeah, this usually, and the JB4 something like this was a Bluetooth. Where does this go? Where's that one? Did I cover it up like you told me to cover it up?
So maybe that's not for that? Maybe that's not Bluetooth?
Hold on, you got more shit down here.
Oh yeah, there it is.
This one?
Yeah, just beat the shit out of the car while you plug it in too.
It's okay. It's got some scratches. It's okay.
It's a daily.
It is indeed, truly a daily.
Anything else goes under this cover here, or that's it?
No, that's it.
It doesn't have a ground? I swear I saw a ground one. You sure? Alright, I'm trusting you. This is my wife's car. If she wrecks, it's gonna be her fault. Me tell me it wasn't ground.
No, she's gonna yell at you. She's not gonna yell at me.
That's a true story.
She's like, fucking Garcia. Hey, did you yell fucking Garcia when you almost ran that red light today?
No, I did say, babe.
Oh yeah,
Red light's red.
Talking to me.
Peyton said, he definitely wasn't looking at that. I said, I can just hear Christina. Fucking Garcia!
No, I actually
No,
didn't. I was talking to him and I was like,
And
the light's red, babe.
Yeah, and I was like, oh shit.
It was the calmest.
Downshift.
It was the calmest thing I've ever said to him in a good long while. I was like, light's red.
Yeah, because she's just.
Peyton said, he was probably on Facebook.
Nope.
Needed to go. Because I can't, so.
Oh boy. Fun times, fun times. What do we do for our wives?
Hey, babe.
Yes.
Fast cars suck. You don't want anything to do with
Yeah,
it.
you don't want nothing to do with
You're
this.
right, I don't.
No, you don't want nothing to do with this. Leave it stock.
Her shit's fancy as hell though, stock. It drives itself, like legitimately drives itself.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking idiot.
This whole time you were just putting it in the wrong side?
Yeah, I wasn't thinking about it. I was like, oh, I got one connector, so I need the single line.
Because the other one
Goes into the sensor. Shut up, Marty.
Nobody's under there anymore, so we're golden.
Oh boy.
Is that everything under there though? Like that's all we have to do under there was just that one.
It's basically connected. And I saw a video and the guy hooked up the OBD.
Marty, you drop that. I'm not dropping it.
Why are you scared?
Because it already was making banging noises while you were jacking it up.
Just don't run your foot over, please.
That's the slowest Marty's ever let a jack down.
It's because it's his wife's car.
Marty usually goes, and he goes, oh my god. All right, first ride in the Stinger with the Lap3 Performance Uncle Chip.
We're gonna use the paddles. Ooh!
Got a little squirrely.
It did.
Yeah, it feels good.
It's definitely improved. Let's see what my shit. I gotta remember how to learn to read all this stuff again. I had all this on the EcoBoost. What was that? Did you see it? It flashed red. What that was?
You got your AFR on?
Yeah.
That's what it was. Anytime you let out, usually the AFR will either blank out or mine goes all the way to max.
Yeah, I'm off the throttle right now. It says 29.20.
Yeah.
It's all the way. Oh, there it goes.
AFR stayed good, 12.7. Feels good. You drive it more than I do, so obviously, since it's not my car.
Yeah, it does. It just I gotta learn how to fuck with it and where the power is and all that shit too. It's definitely changed it. I can feel it. It's definitely changed it. This goddamn thing's so fucking torquey though. Naturally.
Jim Bob got in front of us with his dryer.
No fucking dryer. It definitely wants to kick the ass in now, that's for sure.
Yeah,
Marty
it's
told me
trying.
that's what he was worried about. He said, I'm not worried about putting it on there, I'm just worried about the actually having some traction. Just because it's so naturally torquey anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, Jim Bob. Move your ass, fucker. Is that a dryer? What the fuck is that?
No, I
Is
don't
that
know. It's canoe or something.
kayak? One of them fold
Yeah.
half kayaks? It just seems kind of sketchy, I think. Alright.
TTV6 Life. I know what the TTV6 life is all about.
I know you do. I think Marty might have forgot. He's been out of it too long.
Yeah, he's in that straight 6 single turbo life now.
I see. Ready? Whoop! It's too much. I told him it's too wet.
Yeah, you're gonna have to relearn how to drive this car.
No, I was doing that on purpose. I was like on the throttle hard.
Yeah.
I knew it was. That's why I waited till them other cars were not around. And I figured it would do that.
Yeah, it did it pretty bad the second time. Like it was like skirt.
That's all right. That's why I know how torquey this car is. I drive it every day, so that's why I told him. I thought it was still probably too wet out here.
Yeah, you're probably gonna maybe need some stickier tires too.
Yeah, I will.
How's it feel?
Well,
Buns are toasty.
huh?
My buns are toasty.
Yeah, why? Cause you were you so scared you shit yourself?
Come here. You want to know how I felt? Come here.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you did a burnout. We got rubber back there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Every time I like get on the throttle.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Well, I told you these roads are still too wet, baby, and the tires are probably cold too. So I got literally everything fighting against me at the moment.
But you could feel it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. How much boost was it hitting?
I honestly wasn't even looking at that. I was trying to
looked at her.
make sure I was
making sure
driving the road.
And I was making sure the AFR stayed good, and they were like 12.7.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
I couldn't get too much in the boost because every time I did, I'm telling you, it was
You can
kicking.
roll it in like in third or fourth gear.
Yeah.
It'll get loose.
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you,
shit.
the roads are too wet. It's too. The
What'd you do? A
tires are too
second
cold.
gear the last time?
This last time was second
So
gear.
she went second gear, and as soon as you hear the boost, whoo, it went, whoo, and then she let off and
I let
shifted
off,
third.
tried it again.
What?
Did it again.
Okay, that's
Oh
enough.
shit. That's no fun there. We have to get
No,
the tires
it
for
will
this
be.
bitch.
It'll be fine. The tires aren't warmed up. It's cold. It's wet.
All right.
It'll
is
be
cold.
fine. If
Congratulations.
if I need to, I'll get some more
All right.
sticky tires. It's okay.
Yeah. All right.
Freezing.
It's 40 degrees. You'll be fine. All right.
It'll be fun. It was fun momentarily, and then it was wiggly.
I'll drive it here in a bit. All right, guys. So I wanted to test out the new tune, or I guess piggyback tune, and see how it is. See how much better it is. I don't know. I don't have high expectations, but this car's a pretty quick stock, and they're torquey, so it should give it a nice jump. So let's see what it does. So all right, let's see how she feels with this new Lap 3 Uncle Chip, whatever it's called. And I'm gonna leave traction control on because I don't know how exactly it's gonna react. She already driven it. She knows how it's gonna feel. It's definitely tail happy. It's most definitely more tail happy. It's spun there pretty good, and that's what traction control doesn't really get in the way too much on this car, which is not a bad thing. Sometimes it could be if you don't know what the hell you're doing. So, but that was pretty decent. That was pretty damn decent. So. Let's roll into it a little bit. It goes. It most definitely goes. That's pretty damn good, guys. This thing moves. I don't know what it'll do quarter mile, but it should be a decent, 12.5 to low 12 car, I would assume. It's still a heavy car, but that's pretty damn good. I don't know what it's making, like factory boost wise, on those gauges right there. Let's see if I can pick it up. I might about 3,000 there. We can get on a little bit. I don't know, like maybe 16 pounds, 15, 16 pounds. I don't know what they make stock. I don't know, it might make more. I don't know how accurate. A lot of these factory boost gauges are not very accurate at all. But I don't know. That felt pretty good to me. This thing's pretty impressive because, like I said at the beginning of the video, I had experiences with JB4s, And with the JB4, I wasn't happy, and it kind of, you know, just pushed me away from piggybacks. But this Lap 3 is actually pretty impressive, and I think she did a good purchase of this. She likes it. I mean, she really likes the way the car feels. The car's definitely more tail happy, so probably have to look at either better tires. I mean, the tires it has I don't know what the hell this car has in the rear. I think it's some Pirellis or something. So we'll have to look at a better tire in the rear. I don't know, make some sway bars or something, because this thing likes to be a little too tail happy. And I think the sway bars in these things are minuscule. So let's head back to the house. But if you're thinking about doing this mod, I'd recommend it. I know the JB4 is an option. Like I said, I just don't like them personally. And this one's a little more money. I think this one's about $300 more than JB4 is. But I really think it's worth it. So I'd do it. Alright, so let's do another quick pull. Let's see what she looks like. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna leave it just in regular automatic mode. I'm not gonna try to shift it myself. Let's see. I'm gonna roll into it though. Even like that, it's still tail happy. It pulls. It pulls pretty damn hard. It's definitely impressive. Definitely impressive. Yeah. You can hear this thing spool up good too. Yep. Let's head back to the house. We'll finish up, but yeah, I'd recommend this. Lap 3, your stuff is legit. Good product. Alright guys, so there it is. Old Stinger there is actually pretty impressive. I liked it a lot. Would highly recommend it. So she likes it. She says she likes it a lot. You can definitely feel the difference. So these things are actually pretty quick. They're big heavy cars, but they're actually pretty quick, and I'm really impressed with them. Kid did a good job with these cars. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. See if you want more Stinger content. We got some Camaro content. We got Volkswagen content, and in the garage in there, we got Super content. We got more Camaro content, so we got plenty of stuff. So let me know what you guys think on the Stinger, and we're gonna take it down the track soon, see what it does. I'm saying mid to low 12s. If it does higher than a 12.5, I'd be pissed. I wouldn't be happy with that number, because I think it definitely has a 12 in it, like a mid 12. I think it did like a 13.2 or 3 stock. So I would say it's at least a mid 12 second car. So anyways guys, like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think on the Stinger, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.